Nigerian Defense Academy honored me an award, which is normal. When they invited me for the award, I don't know why they choose me. But when I reached there, they told me this award, they are not giving an award easily, but they are going to honor me with one retired general and also one retired professor who have done something for Nigeria. Finally, they said that before they decide to give me the award, that I was recommended by Nigerian Air Force because of what I did when they are in difficulty. There is some of the fighter components that when they are in difficulty, they don't know what to do. But when they come to me, I solve the problem for them. So because of that, they feel so happy and feel that I deserve the award. That's why they give me the award.
I see. So, okay. Now, in talking about our homegrown products, one will also be looking at patronage. Now, tell us, how has the patronage level been? You know, as far as your area of manufacturing is concerned, how has the patronage level been?
So, in effect, are you satisfied with the level of patronage you are getting from local?
Don't worry, I will explain to you. Telling Nigeria to patronize made in Nigeria products is something that all Nigeria will benefit from. Now, if you watch that, we don't have enough dollars to import everything again. So it is better for us to do things by ourselves so that we can be able to move forward. Any Nigerians that trying to patronize Nigerian products is supporting the country, because to import everything that we use, we don't have, Nigeria doesn't have enough money to get them all. But if you patronize made in Nigerian items, most of Nigerian, those made in Nigerian items have imported in part, it will be some. It can be everything. For example, we have made in Nigerian vehicle. It doesn't mean we produce the engine. We still import the engine. But there are some areas we produce locally. So, but if you import complete motor in overseas, you import the whole thing. Therefore, you do not save any foreign exchange. But those ones we make local here, socks them local here, the money go utilized in Nigeria. That's we help to solve our problem. If we continue to import everything, there is no enough money to do that again. So I'm advising everybody to support, to buy made in Nigeria items, so that Nigeria will come out of their problem easily.
Now, when you say you support and you want everybody to buy, I want to take your mind also to access to funds or funding. Is it possible? Is it easy? How easy is it for you local manufacturers to access loans and perhaps other government facilities?
Well, we as businessmen, my factory, I started the factory with the Bank of Industry. I sought loan from Bank of Industry, very easy. The first loan I sought from Bank of Industry is very difficult because they don't know me. But finally, when they give and they repay very well, they are used to giving me loan as any time I need. Because they have tested and find out that I'm doing the right thing. So I believe anybody that goes the same way will still source the money. Bank of Industry haven't said they don't have money. Most of my industries were built with Bank of Industry. And most time I pay according to my agreement. So that's why anytime I need, they give more. So I believe that anybody, I don't know anybody in their head office. I haven't even visited them. They are the one that visited the factory.
Okay. What of the regulatory agencies? People that sanction your products to say it is genuine, it is not genuine.
We have a standard organization that controls all those things. They have requirements. They have standard. Immediately you meet up the standard, they will approve you. You are supposed to do it standard so that people will accept buying your products. You don't need them to force you to do it well. If your product is good, people will continue to buy. But if you do something that the quality is too poor, nobody will like to buy it.
And in the area of tax?
Tax is normal. When I started, I get tax exemption, which is open to everybody. I have a tax exemption from federal government. So tax issue is not issue of manufacturing, because when you apply, they give you. I apply, they give me, and I say no.
So generally, what you're saying is that the policy, government policies, are actually.
What I'm advising everybody is to support the policy, because most policy that the government introduce is not something you will see the benefit immediately. But when you are following it, in the end, you will see it. You understand? So I normally support when they introduce any policy. We work with the policy, because before they input it, they have seen where we are going, which we are not there. So, but I believe policy will be changing anytime, because I know that government wants manufacturing to stand. Most policies they are doing is to support manufacturing. I haven't seen a policy that no government would like to set a policy that will hurt the manufacturing. Manufacturing sector is very important to our nation.
Okay, how has this period of recession in the economy affected your operations?
This period, it affected every manufacturer. It affected everybody, even manufacturer or anybody, because so many things have changed because of the exchange rate. Yes, because of the exchange rate. But we don't blame anybody. It is where we see ourselves. So, but I believe that government is working day and night to solve the problem for us. Immediately the problem will solve, manufacturing will be moving fine.
There are things, some challenges manufacturers like you complain about, especially this side of the country. Issues of roads, issues of power.
Issues of, I have told you.
How have you been grappling with your
I've told you that problem some of the manufacturers are having on issues of loan. If you borrow and pay well, like as I borrow in Bank of Innoson and pay well, there's nothing I need for them, they don't give me. If I need another loan today, they will approve it for me.
No, I'm not talking about loan. I'm talking about things like roads.
Okay, roads.
Power, like electricity. You know, when you must have manufactured, how do you move these products into the market? Are the roads friendly enough?
Well,
you have constant supply of power?
I have distributors all over Nigeria. Because of Nigeria is very big. If the load to transport the products to west, maybe the road to north is okay. We face the north that time. So sometimes the side of the north will be okay. We face that, so we serve the whole nation. You understand? There's no way everywhere will be good at a time, and there's no way everywhere will be bad at a time. So any side that is working well, we face close attention that side, and we'll be selling our products. Sometimes when it is bad as it is now, what we are trying now is to export some items outside Nigeria.
Oh, you do export?
I do export.
Wow.
You understand? As now, because of the foreign exchange we are having, we now, our focus is to export our goods outside Nigeria, so that we can be able to source foreign exchange from that side to continue manufacturing.
So, in terms of power, I mean electricity, how often do you...
Issue of power. It's no problem to manufacturing.
So it's no problem.
It's no problem.
Okay. Tell us.
Yeah. Because when we started this factory, there's no the percentage of power is too poor. We use most time generator. So we are used to generator. Now the power have improved a lot. So it is better. Now it's improving more. So we are not feeling bad because when we started it's water than now. So now there is a lot of improvement in power. So with improvement we don't feel power is not our issue again. You understand? What the only thing is that when you produce in a high cost, your products will be high too. You understand? Everybody will buy it and also buy in a high cost. It is not something that if you produce in a high cost, you say in the low cost. Everybody is there like that.